All right, what's up, everybody? Back to another Swing Sunday, Stock Swing Sunday. This week we'll be going over again what I like for the week. If you like these videos, find any value in them, please subscribe, like the video, comment, and all that stuff. But yeah, let's get into it. So first things first, let's get into the news for the week. So uh, tomorrow is Martin Luther King Day, so we got nothing, no news. Um, Also, tomorrow is Inauguration Day for Trump. So that should be interesting how the market moves and manipulates itself. Again, no news Tuesday. On Wednesday, we have nothing crazy. It's a pretty news adjacent week. No crazy news going on all week for the most part. Consumer sentiment on Friday could give you a little something, and PMI on Friday as well. But pretty light news week to say the least. 2 days no news, pretty much 3 days or maybe even 4 days no news, but or significant news if you will. But yeah, that's what we're looking like on the news front. Um, First things first, let's take a look at Spy. So boom, Spy. So let's see what we got on the week. So you see on the week, we got ourselves another engulfing candle, right? Which the market did a pretty good job this week of recovering. The first week it gave us a bear candle, then it gave us another bull candle, and we'll see what the market gives us this week. Whether we get it in the bull candle or bear candle, gonna be really interesting to see what we get this week, considering this kind of bullish engulf here. Will we continue to get some movement to the upside, or will we, kind of range and chop up from here? It's gonna be an interesting week. I really like to see what comes of this this bullish off, and I'll look that up just to give you guys a visual. See right here, bullish engulf, where this green candle is engulfing the previous red candle. Exactly what you got here on spot right here. Also, another thing I kind of want to go through, along with my stocks, I like to also go over all of my crypto. So first, we'll go look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you see, is playing its level of support here pretty well. It won't break below this kind of like 190, 190, 189 area. It wicked it and it came right back up. Um, Going into a Trump heavy administration, that's a pretty good sign, right? So Bitcoin's holding pretty strong, crypto's holding pretty strong. Also, I want to go over my top three personal holdings. Um, Bitcoin, as of right now, is about three. My number one holding here is XRP. So I've been in XRP for a minute. I've been a huge XRP advocate for the past couple of years. Been doing pretty deep research on XRP for the past couple of years. And my average buy price on XRP right now we currently sit at about $3 and a cent. My average buy price on XRP is about here. Average buy price on XRP is about 55 cents. So I'm sitting pretty. I'm sitting pretty solid on XRP gains. Um, have a really good position in it, and that's my number one holding, XRP. My number two holding is Dogecoin. So it goes Bitcoin, XRP, Doge, and then Bitcoin. Um, so Doge for me is more of a trade. Average buy price on Doge is about 32 cents, I believe. I'm looking for this bad boy to, you know, shoot up to the moon to create all-time highs of maybe $1, $2, depending on kind of how the administration handles Doge. Um, right now, sitting at about 36 cents. I really, really like Doge to kind of take off from here. Um, Especially once we hit more of an altcoin season. I don't think we had a true altcoin season quite yet, but once that does happen, Doge is looking pretty good. Also, another honorable mention here, Solano. I like Solano a lot, considering Trump just dropped his meme coin on Solano, the Solano network, along with a coin based on his wife and also his son. So Trump is appears to be, a huge Solano advocate, considering he dropped his own personal coin on the Solano network. So Solano, I love Solano. I love Solano long term, especially if it's going to be, used and backed by the government. So that's my crypto analysis. So let's get into my top three swings for the week. Um, First, I'm going to go with the swings that I already have. So I'm swinging these Transcat TRNS swings. Been holding this about maybe 2 weeks now. I am looking to. I'm holding these puts right on this. More so it's like this triangle here. It's just been kind of consolidating in this area right here. See, are below the 250 EMA, and it was just kind of showing weakness. So I liked it for a sale. Um, you see, we just kind of it's just bearish stock, and my exit price here is at the very least 95. I like to get this at 95. Like for it to come to at least 95, and we're finally, based on this weekly candle, getting a little bit of weakness here. Getting some weakness here, looking for it to tap here. That's where I'm looking to take profit at. Also, we have Lucid. These are my lead plays. Lucid, I won't talk about these too much. Got Lucid for about a year out. Snapchat, maybe about 6 months out. Um, and so this is my active swing. This is my current loops. And, what you guys are here for, my swing plays that I like for you. So, number one, Amazon. So, you see Amazon is printing this bull flag here. You see here what this bull flag looks like. And you see that's exactly what Amazon is printing. Amazon is printing a bull flag right now. I like for it to come back a little bit lower, maybe 22.81 could be potentially wishful thinking. Ooh, that's nice. Um, Maybe that's wishful thinking, but we'll see what we get on that. I like this bull flag here on Amazon. It's setting up really nice, so we'll see what we get. Number two, we have AVGO Broadcom. I like this bullish pennant. As you can see here, this pennant pattern is just a more condensed version of a flag in my what just realistically, it's similar to a bull flag, just a lot more condensed, right? The candlesticks are a lot more, you know, tight inside, whereas Amazon, a flag, is a little bit more spread out. You see, it's just a slight difference, but it means the same thing. So I'm really, really, really hoping we maybe get a 25. It maybe comes about $26, and I'm looking to swing that bad boy. Looking to swing ABGO Broadcom. Honestly, that's probably my number one look over. It's pretty dead even, but I like both these. My number three pick is SMIC. As you can see, I got a lot of tech stocks. SMCI is a lot more risky, I'd say. Um, we got a. Let me pop that up. Okay, let me fix this up a little bit. So we got a pin bar here that rejected right off the 618, and we have a level of support here that's kind of developing right up in between the 618 and a 50 on the fib retracement. Um, I like these two better, but we got a pin bar here at the 618. It's holding this support here really well, and I like for it to come back up to the upside at the very least. Um, but yeah, those are what I have. I guess I could show you 618 retracement. This is kind of like the golden area, the golden fib area, especially like on the higher time frames. Very, very, popular, pattern that a lot of people like to trade. And also this candle here, this pin bar. Also one of my personal favorite candlesticks to see when I'm looking to get into anything. Pin bar candle. Right there. Pin bar, short body, long wick, short. Let me zoom in a little bit for y'all. Long wick, short body. Um, Rejection right off the 618, like right off the 618, and it bounced up and it's kind of consolidated from here. But we'll see what we get going into next week. Um, I'm anticipating another really good week. Honorable mention here, Coca-Cola. So didn't really anticipate going over this, but this is also another play that I like. I like for it to drop a little bit more, maybe about there. Actually, I'm gonna set an alert for that. Um, boom. Actually, I'm gonna throw that in the mix. Um, I like this bullish engulf plus this continuation here. I already made about 50% here on Coca Cola. Um, I already hit this trade, but I love to re-enter for some continuation. But I needed to kind of come back and kind of retrace this area here. I need some type of kind of retracement. But you see, we got this bullish engulf. I like Coca Cola going, especially going into February. I have some other tools that I use to kind of like predict price movements for certain stocks throughout the month, more like a seasonality type of thing. I may bring that out next week just to kind of give you guys all the tools that I use. But yeah, that's what I like. Coca Cola, Amazon, SMIC, and ABGO Broadcom. So that's what I got. Hopefully you guys take the plays. And see y'all next week.